Hi, this is Chad from 4-Star Rental, and I just want to give you some instructions on how to use the pipe and cable detector. These are just basic instructions for the basic use, which will be 90% of what everybody uses it for. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to get out the receiver. Okay, now this is the receiver. If you're just looking for something that has power running through it right now, you turn it on right here, and then you scroll through the frequencies right here, and you can see right there where it's reading out. It goes through different frequencies. When it says POW, that's for power, okay? And then you just kind of go out in the yard, and I'll show you here. And you just kind of go like this, but keep it perpendicular to the ground, okay, or vertical. You don't want to swing it like this. Just keep it like this. And then when it sees what you're looking for, right there, that gauge will go up, okay? So, like for instance, if I put it up at the lights right now where there's power, it's gonna go up like pretty high, right? So if it's 100% and it's like really wide, you can reduce the gain right here, and then you can kind of hone in on it a little better. And then you can, once you found it, you kind of go right over where the center would be, and you can hit depth, and it'll calculate how deep the power is, or the wire that you're looking for. There's a lot of power everywhere, and you're getting interference. Then what you'll do is turn this off first, pull out the power supply. Okay, this is what they call it, the generator or transmitter. But basically, you'll turn this on, hold this down until it turns on. Okay, and then you have frequencies that you can change through here the same way. Here we have 9.5 kilohertz. Scroll through 80 kilohertz, 38 kilohertz. You want to have the same signal coming out of this, obviously, that you have this set on, this here set on, so that you can pick it up. Whichever one has the least amount of interference. And this has a level 2 on it, how much frequency it is putting out, how much of that, up or down, depending on, because this does put a frequency out around it as well. So if you're using this, you need to use this here, plug it in here, screw it on, and then the red wire goes on the wire that you're looking for. So if you have at least one end that you can get to of that wire, like if it's in the house or up by the house or something, hook that onto that. The black side, the black one, you'll put on a ground. Now if you can't find anything grounded, we include a ground stake here that you can pound in the ground. And also we have this here. This is to go around like a pipe, a steel pipe or something like that you want to try to locate. You just open it up here, push it over the pipe, and it snaps on. Has the same connection that goes into the transmitter. And that should do it. So thanks for listening, and happy hunting.